In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PDF to Claude AI. By the end, you'll have Claude ready to seamlessly access and work with your PDFs so it can summarize, extract data, and answer questions based on your documents. Start by opening your Claude account. Head to the Claude website and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're new, create an account first so you can access the settings we're about to use. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or name, usually in the top corner of the screen. Click it to open the account menu and then choose Settings. This is where all your account and integration options live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Click Connectors to open the integrations page. Think of connectors as bridges between Claude and the tools or content sources you already use. They let Claude securely access specific files or services so it can help you more effectively. Next, click Browse Connectors. This opens a catalog of available integrations. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar, type PDF, and press Enter. You should now see the PDF option or any relevant PDF-related connector available to your account. Select the one labeled PDF, then click Connect. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. These steps can vary slightly depending on your setup, but they're straightforward. You might be asked to grant permission so Claude can read PDFs from a particular source. Review the permissions carefully and confirm if you're comfortable. If your organization manages access, you may need to choose the correct workspace or account. Some setups will also ask you to confirm what types of files or folders Claude can see. Choose the level of access that fits your needs, then continue. When the prompts are complete, watch for a confirmation message or a status indicator showing that the PDF connector is now active. If you don't see it right away, return to the connectors page and refresh. A connected state or a green check mark usually means you're all set. That's it. You've connected PDF to Claude. From this point, Claude can reference your PDFs as allowed by the connector, making it easier to analyze long documents and pull insights quickly. If you run into any issues, revisit the connectors page, check the permissions you granted, and reconnect if needed. With your PDF connector in place, you're ready to make Claude much more effective with your documents.